Hey everyone, welcome back. Casey with CX Mods. I'm sitting on the ground next to our Corolla Cross because today we're going to be installing these wheel spacers. These are going to push the face of the wheel out closer to the body for a flusher fitment, which I think looks a lot better. And these will also be for those that purchase aftermarket wheels and didn't get quite the fitment they wanted, or even for those that might have got a flush fitment but kind of want a little poke. You can install wheel spacers to fix that as well. Installation is really easy. We just got to pull the wheel off, install the spacers, throw the wheel back on, and that's it. So let's get started. Before we get started, I'll just do a quick walk around to give you an idea what the factory fitment is like on our XLE. So as you can see, the wheel is inset pretty good from the factory on the front. And then also on the rear. First things first, we got to loosen the lug nuts before we jack it up. Now that we have our wheel off, we can throw our spacer on. Now that we're done with the front, we'll go to the rear. Got a nice little range, but we should be good under here. Alright, so we got the driver's side done. Let's just do a quick walk around to see the difference. It's pretty much flush with the body now with 20 millimeters. The back is inset just a little bit, but I like where the front's at, so we'll just leave it. I thought about testing 25s, but definitely just going to stick with 20s the way it sits in the front. Rain picked up, so I decided to move inside and finish the installation, but curiosity got the best of me, and I decided to try out the 25 millimeters on the passenger side to see what they look like. And there's just a little bit of poke with them. They don't look terrible. The back's pretty much where I would want it, but I like the fronts with the 20 mils, so we're gonna stick with those. Finished the installation on the passenger side. As I showed you, we did test out the 25mm spacers, but they were just a little too much in the front. I think the 20mm spacers is perfect for the OEM wheels. We are going to upgrade the wheels at some point, so we may not even need them down the road. I guess we'll see. But if you guys have any questions on the installation, please email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media and message us there. Thanks for watching. At some point, we're going to upgrade the wheels, and we'll see what the offset with those are. And then if anything... cat feeder. 20mm are perfect, in my opinion, for the Corolla Cross. A little too much poke in the front for my liking. I think the 20mm spacers is perfect for the OEM. Alright, so we finished it. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands.